Is your laptop or PC suddenly blue screen, restarting by itself? Don't immediately reset Windows? In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix it. First, take a picture of the stop code on the blue screen. This code gives us an important clue about what caused the crash. Then restart your computer and check if the blue screen appears again. Next, check for Windows updates. Open Settings, go to Windows Update, and select Check for Updates. Install any available updates, then restart your PC if Windows asks you to. Now, check your device drivers. Search for Device Manager and open it. Look for any device showing a yellow warning symbol, especially your graphics, network, or storage devices. If the blue screen started after a driver update, open the device properties and select the driver tab. If rollback driver is available, you can use it to return to the previous driver. Next, we'll check Windows for corrupt system files. Search for Command Prompt, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. This opens the Windows repair tools with the permissions they need.
Now type this command exactly as you see it, sfc/scan now, and let Windows scan your system files. The scan may take several minutes, so don't close the window while it is running. Now let the scan finish completely. It can take several minutes, so don't close Command Prompt. Wait until it reaches 100% and Windows displays the final result. The scan is finished. Read the message Windows gives you carefully. If it found and repaired corrupted files, restart your PC. If it couldn't repair everything, the next step is DISM. If Windows still has corrupted components, the next step is DSM. Type this command exactly as shown, then press Enter. Let the repair process run. DISM is now repairing the Windows component store. This can take several minutes, so be patient. Do not close Command Prompt or turn off your computer while the repair is running. Once DISM finishes, wait for the final message. If the operation completed successfully, restart your computer. After restarting, we'll run one final system file check. Now restart your computer so the repair can take effect. Once Windows starts again, open Command Prompt as administrator. We're going to run sfc one more time. Now run sfc one more time. Type the command exactly as shown, press Enter, and let Windows scan the system files again. Wait until the scan reaches 100%. When it finishes, read the final message carefully. If Windows repaired the files, restart your PC and check whether the blue screen returns. Now let's check the Windows system drive for file system errors. Type this command exactly as shown, then press Enter to start the scan.
Let the disk scan finish completely. When it reaches the end, read the result carefully. If Windows reports disk problems, back up your important files before doing anything more advanced. If the blue screen keeps coming back, the next step is Safe Mode. Open Settings, go to System, then Recovery, and under Advanced Startup, choose Restart Now. Click Restart Now. When your computer enters the recovery screen, choose Troubleshoot. From there, we'll open the Advanced Startup options. Now click on Advanced Options, followed by Startup Settings, and then click the Restart button. Select Troubleshoot, then choose Advanced Options. From there, select Startup Settings and click Restart. This will give us several startup choices, including Safe Mode. Click Restart. When the Startup Settings menu appears, press number 4 to enable Safe Mode. Windows will now start with only the essential drivers and services. Now test your computer in Safe Mode. If the blue screen stops happening here, a driver, application, or startup service may be causing the problem. Think about what you installed or changed recently. While you're in Safe Mode, check your recently installed applications. If the blue screens began after installing a particular program, that software may be worth investigating. Only remove software you recognize and no longer need. If the problem started after a driver change, check Device Manager again. Open the device properties and select the Driver tab. If rollback driver is available, reverting the recent driver may help. If rolling back the driver doesn't solve the problem, don't reset Windows yet. There are other options. Before considering a full reset, let's check whether System Restore can return Windows to a working state.
Now let's check System Restore. From the Windows Recovery options, choose Advanced Options and select System Restore. If you have a restore point from before the blue screen started, it may help. If you have a restore point from before the crashes began, select it and choose Next. Review the restore point carefully before affect applications and drivers installed after that restore point. If you're confident the restore point is correct, confirm the restore. Windows will restart and begin the process. Do not turn off your computer while System Restore is running. Let Windows complete the process. If the blue screen still happens after restore, the next thing to check is your RAM. Search for Windows Memory Diagnostic and open the built-in Windows Memory Testing tool. Save your work first, because this test requires a restart. Choose Restart Now and check for problems. Windows will restart and test your memory for possible errors. Let the memory test finish completely. Windows will restart when the test is done. If memory errors are detected, faulty RAM could be contributing to your blue screen screens. Event Viewer can provide more clues about repeated crashes. Open Event Viewer, expand Windows Logs, and select System. Look for errors or critical events that occurred around the same as the blue screen. Now compare the time of these errors with the time your blue screen happened. If you repeatedly see the same error around every crash, write down its source and event ID. That information can help identify the cause. Finally, check for overheating. Make sure your laptop or PC has clear ventilation and that the cooling fans are working properly. Dust buildup and poor airflow can cause high temperatures and system instability. Remember, a blue screen can have many different causes. Work through these steps one at a time, and don't replace or reset Windows until you've identified what is actually causing the crashes.
If this guide helped you fix your blue screen, subscribe for more Windows and PC troubleshooting tips. And if you're still getting a BSOD, comment the exact stop code below.